It is a good practice to preserve packaging material for future use, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. For this occasion, I'm going to use standard kitchen knife to cut the duct tape holding pieces of styrofoam together. Outer slots contain some assembly parts. Also, be careful not to damage cabling for the brakes. It is necessary to plug in the toe brake cable. Easiest way is by looking from the bottom of the pedals, because plugs are clearly visible. Pay attention to connector orientation. Cables must be formed by hand to allow large bending radius. Also, cables should never bend near the connector housing. There are two set by 4 screws in the package. Longer screws are for foot plates assembly, and shorter screws are for wall spacing. Mainspring has its hooking screw and a nut, and you will also find a small protective rubber cap. Pedals are plug and play. Once connected to the PC, you only need to wait for Windows to finish the installation process. You need to calibrate the pedals by using MFG configurator tool. Do not use Windows calibration at all. Once you start the tool, you should see pedals connected in the top left corner. There is a Make Calibration row where you calibrate each of the axes separately. So let's first calibrate left braking axis. Let's click Start, then apply full deflection of the left brake, release it and click Stop. Let's repeat it for the right brake and finally for the rudder axis. Note that rudder axis need to be centered before you click Start button. Now you are finished with the pedals calibration. Unless you change the pedal angle, you should never need to recalibrate again. For other features of the configurator tool as well as other adjustments of the pedals, please watch other videos and read manuals.